Hello viewers, after a few minutes, Flipkart Sasa Lele sale will start. Many people are asking me about Motorola MotoPad 60 Pro and Motorola MotoPad 60 Neo, which tablet they should buy. There is no doubt that MotoPad 60 Pro is a very good tablet, but all the time the price of this tablet remain on the higher side. Because of that, I could not recommend this tablet to users, but I think in this sale you will definitely get discounts on MotoPad 60 Pro. If you want to buy MotoPad 60 Pro 128GB variant, in that case the best price for this tablet is 22 to 23,000 rupees maximum, and if you want to buy the 256GB variant, in that case the best price would be around 24 to 25,000 rupees. But if you don't get this pricing, don't buy MotoPad 60 Pro now. On the other hand, if you are planning to buy MotoPad 60 Neo, in that case for the base variant, the best price is around 13,000 rupees. And if you want to buy the 256GB variant, in that case the best price would be 15,000 rupees maximum. Similarly, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, in that case the best price would be 35,000 rupees to 40,000 rupees. On the other hand, if you are planning to buy iPad 11th generation, in that case currently you can buy iPad 11th generation from Amazon.in at a price point of 29,999 rupees. If you want to buy from Amazon.in, you must have HDFC credit card to get instant 10% discount, and if you are planning to buy from Flipkart.com, they haven't revealed the pricing because Sasa Lele sale has not yet started, so you have to wait few minutes to get details about the pricing. I think if you get iPad 11th generation under 30,000 rupees, maybe 28 to 29,000 rupees, you can definitely make the purchase. And if you want to buy any tablet, you must be ready with credit cards to buy that tablet just at the start of the sale, because the price will definitely increase after few hours or in the morning or next day. Now let me know in the comment sections below which tablet or iPad you are planning to buy in the Sasa Lele sale. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.